Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor Currency Trader. Right now I'm showing off my YouTube, I guess it's my YouTube page. It's where you can go to and you can see all the videos that I make. You can see about the systems that I have, that I offer. You can see the mentorship that I offer. You can see the theory and how I think about trading. And that's very important too, because we're all different. You need to trade with somebody that trades similar as you. I trade for a living. I've been trading for 10 years. It's been a rough road. I would say 5 years wasn't worth trading, but it gave me the lessons I needed to get the other 5 to get straightened out. And all I want is to explain to you that it can be done. You can trade for a living. Matter of fact, it's very simple. The problem is it's too simple and we complicate it. That's the problem. Yes, there are losses, but the idea is you keep your losses small and let your winners run. I know you've heard that. Very difficult to do. But I actually offer a system that can do that. And the only reason I even tell you is because it works for me. If it didn't work for me, what's the point of me telling you? So I push my little system. It's very inexpensive. It's only $100, and basically you're just paying trade room $50 a month because I'm giving you the trade room for 2 months. So really there's no fee for the template. The template's almost free. And I change it as I go, but right now I got it where I'm very happy with it. I don't see too many more changes coming. But I've been having templates for probably the last 3-4 years that I've liked, and they keep changing. So I guess everything really does evolve and it does change. But as it changes, you get all those updates and you change with it. And then in the trade room, I don't just tell you how to trade. I tell you what I'm trading and why I'm trading. I take the trades with you. I'm there to make sure we make money. If there's a particular asset class that you like to trade, whether it's gold or Bitcoin, or we can take a look at that. We can trade that together. I'm sure everybody else in the room would like to see that too, because we're all different. And then what happens is we get to learn about other things that other people like to trade. And then we're all trading the same system, so it makes it much easier. And it has definite areas to get in and definite areas to get out. It's always that what if, then what? Because every time something happens, we have a plan already in action. We're not sitting there looking at ourselves saying, what do we do? We already know ahead of time. There's a line in the sand. If it crosses that line, we get out. If it does not, we stay in. It's a very simple process. And where to get out, we have indicators tell us where to get out. But all that's explained in other things. I'm just here to tell you who I am, because I had a couple people ask me, how do I get your system? Who are you? What is this? Over here, you can, if you get to my YouTube page, you can click this. It goes right to my website. You got Twitter, Facebook, got it all there. We have quite a lot. We have other systems, longer term, but mostly what I push is the scalping, because the scalping for me is everything. Because what happens is you're keeping a small stop loss and you're getting 3 to 1, 4 to 1 on your return. And only a 5-minute scalp can allow you to have a 5 pip stop loss. 5 pip, not 30, not 20, 5 pips. Most you can lose is 5 pips. And then what I try to do is use a money management system where, let's say you like to trade one lot. I do. So now what I've done is we trade 0.5, or at least I trade 0.5. You trade whatever half of whatever it is you trade. And you'll get into a trade, and as you go into break even, you add another trade in. So therefore, in the beginning, if it did go against you, which, there's always that 25, 30% chance the market's just going to try to take it away from you, that could happen. But at that time, you're only losing half. So before I was losing $45, now I'm losing $22. So if I lose 3 trades in a row and I quit for the day, because it's very rare it happens, but there is no trading, then at least I'm only down, what's that, $80 instead of $160, $150. to learn the lesson to not to trade today, it's easier to come back. That's what it's all about. It's all about keeping your losses small. If you can focus on that, you will survive. I think to me that is the name of the game. So that's everything for me. Now I have a Telegram channel, which is right here, where it talks about different things I'm looking at. Basically all the videos I make I put on there. I give commentary on different aspects of trading that I see, things setting up. And not just that they're setting up, why I'm trading them, where I get in, where I get out. So it all makes sense. I mean, nobody's perfect. Nobody can outguess the market. The market does what it's going to do. Anybody tells you they know where it's going, they're lying. That's the truth. We can only try to take what the market will let us take. And then we have Twitter. You can go to my Twitter page. It's right here. I just post all the videos, but you can get that from YouTube too. Main thing is we have the website. The website is a place just to go, basically just to purchase things, I guess. I mean, you got all my YouTube pages, so you can get the YouTubes from that. You got different systems I think are worthy. You got the Agmet system. I think that's very good. It's very simple. It's very similar to how I'm trading now. It's basically no difference that I see. There's lots of different systems in here. And then I offer the trade room. It's $50 a month, 3 hours. It's great. But in the beginning, you don't need that. Well, you got Robert. There's my other half showing off the new t-shirt I gave him one day. Yeah, he's my trading partner. He's the one who got me to do all this. So I met him 5 years ago in a I think it was not just a trade. It was not just a trade room. It was a coaching class, and he got a hold of me and was asking, "Hey, how are you doing those trades? Tell me what you know. Talk to me." So I told him. And after that, we became friends. It was awesome. We always need friends, and that's one thing with trading. It's very lonely, and in the trade room, it's not. You got a lot of people to ask questions to, a lot of people to talk to. Now, if you want to buy the template, and this is the last video that I put out, right here, it talks about the template. It talks about the 2 months trade room. All you do is you go up here, click that button. That's it. Get you in. After that, you're part of the team. You got the template. Even if you just, after the 2 months, you didn't like the trade room, you didn't do it anymore, it was all done, you still got the template. I'll still give you the updates. And you can still follow along on YouTube or even Messenger if you wanted to. The Telegram chat. So there's a lot you can do. But the $50 for the trade room is pretty cheap. And if you're one of the first 20 that gets in, you'll have it $50 for life. Now, if you're outside the 20, it's going to go up to $100 if you didn't get in at that time. You know, like after 20 people, I think I need to start raising the price. So most places are $100, $200 anyway. $50 is pretty cheap. I'm just trying to get people to come in, be part of the team, be part of the group, to learn, make money. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to make money. That I do know. So I just wanted to let you know who I am, what it is that I do. Obviously, you've seen my other YouTube videos and how my template works, how I like to trade. So give it a shot. Try it out. I guarantee it'll be worth your time. That's why I'm giving you 2 months of the trade room. I'm guaranteed that I'm going to help you double, triple, quadruple the money that you put in, $100, so that you can go on and enjoy life and become a full-time trader. So that's what it's all about. I'm here to show you how I did it and work with you and prove it to you. I'm a real person. So anyway, you guys have a great day. Think about it. If this is for you, there's the button. So everybody asked me where to get it. So now you guys know where to get it. So have a great day, you guys. Bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.